Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. I'm currently not because I'm down with blocked nose, sore throat, and all the cold and flu symptoms. Winter is just around the corner in India, and in UK it has already started. It is the temperatures are dropping down to 0 and -1 degrees, and it is freezing cold outside. It did snow in some places yesterday, except in our area as usual. Everyone is gonna fall sick sometime or the other, catch a cold or a viral fever. So, to keep you warm and to keep you comforted during this time, I have a special recipe to share today, and it is the chicken shorba. So, this recipe is pretty simple to prepare. It's just cooking the chicken in a green masala paste and then diluting it down to get the soupy texture. It is a really good recipe. You all can also save it and try it when you are down with cold. To prepare the chicken shorba, heat some oil and add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 peppercorns, 4 to 5 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, and once they are aromatic, add 1 finely chopped onions and fry until translucent. For the paste, take 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 whole onion, 1 bunch of coriander, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon peppercorns, and grind to a smooth fine paste with half cup of water. Once the onions are translucent, add 500 grams of chicken pieces, boneless or with bone. Cook until they are tender and add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste. Mix well and then add the grounded green paste. Cook the paste thoroughly well until it changes color as shown, and then dilute it up with around 8 cups of water. So here I have added total of 8 cups of water. Before you get it to a boil, add the juice of half a lemon and a few lemon slices for extra flavor. Mix well and boil everything for about 20 to 25 minutes on low to medium flame. Add 1 chicken stock cube if required. Mix well and serve hot. Delicious, hearty, warm and comforting chicken shorba soup is ready to be served. Do try this recipe out and trust me, you are gonna enjoy it for this winter season. Don't forget to drop a like, comment down your views, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe. Christmas is around the corner, so there will be more festive recipes coming up. Until then, take care and stay safe.